Number 5. Eastern gorilla. Eastern gorillas, which include two subspecies, the mountain gorilla and the eastern lowland gorilla, are the largest living primates on Earth. Adult male eastern gorillas, known as silverbacks due to the silver hair on their backs, can weigh up to 440 pounds, 200 kilograms, and stand up to 5.6 feet, 1.7 meters tall when upright. These magnificent creatures inhabit the dense forests and mountainous regions of Central and Eastern Africa, primarily in Uganda, Rwanda, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Eastern gorillas are primarily herbivorous, consuming a diet rich in leaves, stems, fruits, and occasionally insects. Their powerful jaws and large molars are well adapted for grinding fibrous plant material, while their strong arms help them navigate their forest habitat and gather food. Gorillas are known to consume over 200 different plant species, highlighting their dietary adaptability. Eastern gorillas live in cohesive social groups known as troops, which typically consist of one dominant silverback, several adult females, and their offspring. The dominant silverback is responsible for leading the troop, protecting the group from predators and rival males, and making decisions about feeding and resting sites. Gorilla troops have complex social hierarchies and strong bonds, with individuals engaging in mutual grooming, play, and other social behaviors. Eastern gorillas, particularly mountain gorillas, have become a symbol of endangered species conservation. Due to habitat loss, poaching, and disease, their populations have been under significant pressure. Mountain gorillas were once on the brink of extinction, with their numbers dwindling to just a few hundred individuals. However, dedicated conservation efforts, including habitat protection, anti-poaching patrols, and ecotourism, have led to a slow but steady increase in their population. As of 2021, there were over 1,000 mountain gorillas, a testament to the success of these initiatives. Eastern lowland gorillas, on the other hand, continue to face severe threats due to ongoing conflict and political instability in their range. Their numbers have declined dramatically in recent decades, and they are now classified as critically endangered. Conservation organizations and governments are working to implement measures that will protect these remarkable animals and their habitats. But the challenges they face are immense. Eastern gorillas serve as a powerful reminder of the importance of conservation and the need to safeguard our planet's biodiversity. By protecting these magnificent primates, we not only preserve their unique ecosystems, but also contribute to the well-being of the countless other species that share their habitats. Number 6. Whale shark. Whale sharks are the largest fish species on Earth, reaching lengths of up to 40 feet, 12 meters, and weighing as much as 20.6 tons, 18.7 metric tons. Despite their enormous size, these gentle giants are filter feeders, consuming vast quantities of plankton, krill, and small fish. Whale sharks inhabit warm, tropical oceans around the world and are known for their distinctive white spots and stripes on a bluish-gray background. Whale sharks are slow swimmers, cruising at speeds of around 3 miles, 5 kilometers per hour. They have a unique feeding mechanism known as ram filter feeding, in which they swim with their mouths open, allowing water and prey to flow through their gills. The gill rakers act as filters, trapping their food while allowing water to pass through. These colossal fish are migratory, traveling long distances to find abundant food sources and favorable breeding conditions. They are known to gather in specific locations around the world, such as the coast of Western Australia and the waters off Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, where they feed on seasonal plankton blooms. Whale sharks are solitary creatures, typically traveling alone or in small groups. However, they are known to congregate in large numbers during seasonal feeding events, providing a rare opportunity for scientists to study their behavior and biology. Despite their size, whale sharks are docile and pose little threat to humans, making them popular subjects for ecotourism and underwater photography. Whale shark populations are under threat due to human activities such as fishing, bycatch, and habitat degradation. They are classified as endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, and numerous conservation efforts are in place to protect these gentle giants. Some of these efforts include the implementation of marine protected areas, public awareness campaigns, and the promotion of sustainable ecotourism. Number 7. Ostrich. The ostrich is the largest and heaviest living bird species, with adult males standing up to 9 feet, 2.7 meters, tall, and weighing as much as 320 pounds, 145 kilograms. These flightless birds are native to the savannas and grasslands of Africa, where they have adapted to a terrestrial lifestyle with remarkable speed and agility. Ostriches are characterized by their long legs, neck, and large, round body covered in feathers. Their powerful legs enable them to run at speeds of up to 43 miles, 70 kilometers per hour, making them the fastest-running bird in the world. Ostriches also possess strong, sharp claws that can deliver powerful kicks to defend against predators. These unique birds are omnivorous, consuming a diet that consists primarily of plant material, such as leaves, seeds, and fruits, as well as insects and other small animals. Ostriches have a specialized digestive system that allows them to break down and process the tough plant fibers they consume. Ostriches live in groups called flocks, which usually consist of one dominant male, several females, and their offspring. During the breeding season, the dominant male will perform elaborate courtship displays, such as fluffing his feathers, spreading his wings, and swaying his neck to attract potential mates. Ostrich populations are generally stable and not currently threatened with extinction. However, they have faced challenges due to habitat loss, hunting, and competition with livestock for resources. Conservation efforts for ostriches primarily focus on habitat preservation and the sustainable management of their populations. In some regions, ostriches are also farmed for their meat, feathers, and eggs, providing an alternative source of income for local communities and reducing pressure on wild populations.